Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we are getting stuck into the HZ again. I do have that replacement panel from Rare Spares. It does need to be tweaked a little bit. I've made myself a reference line. I'm probably going to cut about 1/2 inch underneath this line. It's going to give me plenty of room to adjust, and if I need to, I can trim a little bit more off. If you ever wondered previous videos and you watched this video of this panel getting put in, I didn't quite finish this welding up because I knew this panel was going to get cut out and all that jazz. So yeah, let's expose some of that rust under there and get that fixed up. All right, so inner sill panel is done. Yeah, it looks good. Couple little things different, which you may notice if you have one of these cars, if you've repaired this section before. This little step in here belongs in here somewhere. And then there is a little drain hole, V-shaped part of the panel there that I've just gone flat with. I think it's still going to be okay. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think about that and the drain hole thing. I do remember putting the step in though. Bit of a bummer. I could change it. I could go that direction if I wanted to at this point. But I'm not going to. No, not going to do it. A couple little spot welds and some clamps. I reckon this thing should sit flush and sit nice and good. And yeah, it'll come on to whether we put this outside piece on or not. That is quite a big section to repair. I could do this that way. Don't know. Let's get spot welding and see where it goes. All right, guys, well, things are looking pretty good down here. We've got this section pretty much sorted out. I've sat on it all night thinking where to go next, what direction I should take, what's going to be easier for myself, and how it's going to come out with better results. And so far, as you can see, I've taken the whole outer seal off, revealed that inner seal. I want to tackle the whole inner seal all the way, the full length. I think that's going to make it a little bit easier later on. I can get in here and weld from the inside and grind it off if I need to. So I've got really good access there. And I can line this up really nice as well. So yeah, I want to tackle it that way. But yeah, so far this panel is looking pretty good. I've still got to fix up this part in here, which take a little bit of time to get that one all trimmed out and stuff. I'm probably going to have to use a die grinder on that to get most of that out, as it's such a tight spot. And I'm going to leave this video where it is, and till next time. Just a quick shout out all the following subscribers. Thank you all very much for following the channel. A little bit of progress on the 37. Airbags are in, the new cross members in, the old one's out. I managed to hook up the air lines in that as well. With great difficulty. Those air lines, they got in there. Firstly, put them in the wrong side and tightening them up. The fittings were actually facing the wrong way, so I had to undo it all, flip them around, all that jazz, but I got it in there, and there is still air leaks in it. Tape up your threads, yeah, to minimize that air leakage. Probably didn't do them as tight as well, but it was a good test. Got that done, sorted out. Airbags in, cross members look good. Also down here, managed to finish off these little sections on the front here, which later on we're going to sort out another cross member that's going to bridge over the top, which will be holding that tray on as well. So that's still to come. Again, thank you all very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.